Just send me, I'll send you the money for transportation at the time. For me to do my hours. I will do my hours. Because it's cut up the lunch.
Find the list. Where is the list? Remember when I used Tiny stretch now.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got back home. Actually, I got back home like 30 minutes ago. I had to make dinner and I'm about to eat now. So yeah, another week, another vlog. I just got my hair done, getting myself back together. First thing is self-care, because when you look good you feel good. Because guys, I looked a mess for the past 2 weeks. I didn't even leave my house. Like whenever I left my house, I was leaving my house with a hoodie on. I looked a mess. So first thing to getting myself back together is self-care. Got my hair done, skin is shining, popping per usual. And yeah, I'm wearing pink. I decided to wear a bright color today just so I'll feel happy. That's actually why I wore pink head to toe, so I'll be happy. I feel like you guys are growing up with me, which is so cool. It's giving like Kim Kardashian. This is how, no wait, not Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner. You know how you grew up with Kylie Jenner, you guys are going to grow up with me. Yeah, on Saturday I have a birthday dinner.
Girl, Sunday. Tomorrow is Saturday.
Oh, sorry. Tomorrow. Oh yeah, on Sunday I have a birthday dinner. You guys, I got this really nice dress from Opoly. It's coming tomorrow. So excited for it. Yeah, guys, so it's the next day. I literally just woke up and clothes I ordered from Opoly yesterday has arrived. It's downstairs, so I'm going to go pick that up now. I have to do an unboxing for you guys. So I got the LV bag, my new baby. Let me tell you guys the logic behind me buying expensive stuff. So right now, as of now, like I don't pay rent, I don't pay bills. Like my parents still cover everything I do, so like I don't have real life responsibilities. When I say real life, I mean financially. Like I don't have financial responsibilities at the moment, so I'm like, why don't I just buy whatever I want? Like why don't I fulfill my wants now? Because when I get my first big girl job, I would want to pay rent myself just so I could be more responsible. Right now I don't have like bills to pay. I have the luxury to buy expensive things and I have the luxury to fulfill my wants. Do you get what I mean? That's like my logic behind it. I don't know if that's a proper logic or I'm just saying that. I'm just telling myself that. So yeah, let's do an unboxing. So initially I wanted my first LV bag to be the vanity bag. I don't know if you guys know it. I feel like the girl, you should know it. Vanity bag. But when I went to Harrods, as you guys saw, I fell in love with this bag. I fell in love with it for 2 reasons. The first reason was the fact that it's big. Like it's big and it can literally fit in everything. Like my phone can go in there. Okay, I'll show you guys. My phone can go in here, my glasses can go in here, like a comb can go in here, like a lot can fit in. Compared to my other bags, like my Fendi bag is so small that I literally can't fit in my phone there. But I like the fact that I'm able to fit in everything here. What was the second reason? Oh yeah, I just wanted an LV bag. Like the second reason, I wanted an LV bag. But yeah, so yeah, I really love the bag. It's really, really cute. You know, I can wear this for dinner. I can take it to the club. When I'm going on vacation, I can take it with me. And that's it for my bag. My dress is downstairs. And the dress is here.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body fingers polite. Don't be in the humble guy. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go book tonight. Posing and she's left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's live where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly.
My makeup takes 15 minutes tops. So fast. Like, she never takes time. So I apply contour first, then blush, then concealer. Okay, so I'm going to leave the concealer on for 2 to 3 minutes.
Wake up in the morning and I cook up in the evening. Couldn't even get a number. Last niggas in my energy. When I did, we got big, give me VIP. Top notch models on my bedside. All white shoes, them are off-white. Shots nonsense to me, I'ma go offline. Miami Beach, chilling with me, Balance Beach, fuck her in the west and I fast to the south side.
Okay guys, I'm ready. This is my dress. I'm in love, I'm obsessed.
Okay.
Guys, I'm at the restaurant now, and tell me why my drink tastes like Ray and Nephews. This is meant to be a cocktail, and it tasted so strong and bitter. I don't know. I'm not an alcohol girl. Like, I don't like drinking, but sometimes when I'm out, I have a few cocktails so I won't kill the vibe, and also to calm my nerves, because I only knew 2 girls at the dinner, and I was missing the rest for the first time. But please, after the first sip, I immediately regretted it because it was way too strong for me. Look at my face. I got the Caribbean sunset. Oh, you like it? How's that? You like it?
And now one last I put something to it, don't worry. Yes.
You make it so hard to be paid. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting ain't really leave. Double texting ain't really leave. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me going up on the yacht. I'm like, keep going, baby, don't stop. Only one got the key to the box. Katie body like you seen her all. I get messy, you might need a mom. Just like Messi, we keep it on.
Happy birthday! Wow. Fun, it was cute. I met cool people. You know, the city loves me. What can I say? Like, everyone loves me. But yeah, I met cool people. We had fun, took pictures, sang for the birthday girl. The food was really good. It was really good. I didn't expect the food to be that good. Like, so I'm going to clean my makeup and go to bed. I want to go for Pilates tomorrow, depending on how I'm feeling. I would go for Pilates. If I don't go tomorrow, then I will go the day after that. And yeah, I'm tired. I'm about to take off my makeup, guys. Let's see. See you guys tomorrow.
Hi, YouTube. Look like a Barbie.
I really need somebody.